When I first came to Parul University, I thought I was just here to earn a degree. But I didn't know I was about to discover a whole new version of myself. I came from a small town. Everything felt so big, so new. I was nervous. But I wasn't alone. Everyone here was on their own journey, and somehow we found each other. The professors weren't just teachers, they were mentors. They saw something in me before I saw it in myself. I failed sometimes, but here, failing doesn't mean stopping. It means trying again, but smarter. Parul isn't just about lectures and labs. It's about dance rehearsals at midnight. It's about launching your first startup from your hostel room. It's about learning who you are when no one's watching. Somewhere between the first lecture and my final project, I changed. I became more curious, more confident, more me. They say college is where the future begins. For me, Parul University gave me more than a future, it gave me an identity. Parul University, Vadodara, Gujarat. Not just a place to study, a place to belong, to grow, to live.